Hello everyone, welcome to RK Collections. This is Sushmita. If you are watching us for the first time, please do subscribe to our channel and do click on bell icon to get notified immediately so that you can watch our collection up to date. As we all know, we are going to launch our new branch in KPHP Kukatpalli on 1st of October. We are running a very huge giveaway on the occasion of launching. We are presenting this lovely saree. We are presenting this lovely saree to every customer who shops for 2500 and above on the launching day. So I'll be mentioning the address here once. This store is located at MIG 215 opposite to Metro Parking beside ICICI Bank, KPHP Colony, Kukatpalli. We've added lots of new collections to this new store right now. We've also added Pattu section to this store. All are under wholesale prices itself. So please do visit our store, shop your favorite collection and make it successful. Navratris are around the corner, so this 9 days festival gives us enough room to explore every color possible each day. So in today's episode, we are going to explore fancy Banarasi soft silk sarees. These sarees are very soft, have amazing fall and drapes amazingly fine to any shape possible. So if you would like to purchase these lovely sarees, please to follow these 3 steps. Step number 1, please to check the code which is being displayed on the screen while showcasing the saree. Step number 2, please to click on the link which is given in the description box of the particular code. That will directly take you to the page of your favorite saree. Step number 3, please add your favorite saree to the cart and to check out. Please note, cash on delivery and WhatsApp purchase is not available at RK Collections. If you have any queries and questions, please do reach out to our customer support team. We would be glad to assist you. In this collection, we are going to see 4 different patterns. Each pattern have vibrant color combinations. So we are going to see first pattern now. This is such a rare combination of purple with neon green. If you check the middle part has got all brocade weave. This has got tiny flowers coming close by, and if you check the top border is khadi border with contrast neon green color. If you check the bottom border has come in floral creepers. If you check in the middle, and this middle floral creepers border has got khadi borders either side in the bottom border. This is such a lovely combination. Let's check the pallu now. The pallu has got checkered pattern in this, and this is in contrast neon green, and each checks have flower clusters inside it with khadi borders in the bottom and as well in the top. Let's check the blouse. This has got a brocade blouse, and in this we've got diamonds and tiny rudraksha booties as a pattern. This is priced at 1360 rupees only. This is such a lovely saree under such a reasonable price, and this has also got this brocade blouse in contrast, so you don't have to pick another blouse at all, and this gives such a vibrant look when you wear it, and this is perfect for this festive season. This has got lovely color combinations. This time I'll be showing right now. Let's check the other color combinations in the first pattern. The second color combination is vibrant color combination in peacock green with dark pink. This is such a lovely combination. If you see, this has got same brocade body with skirt border. You can even use it for stitching your skirts and use it for simple occasions. This is perfect to carry for festivals and temples as well. Let's check the other color combination. This color combination, the third color combination, is nice red with bottle green. This is such a nice traditional combination, a timeless combination we can say. This is also has got same body with the same border, priced at the same price, 1360. Let's check the other combination. This fourth combination is nice navy blue with red as a contrast. The navy blue is as a body with red as border. This is also priced at same price, 1360. Let's check the last color combination. One more vibrant color combinations, I would say. This is a very nice lemon yellow with copper sulphate blue. Same body with same border, priced at 1360. Let's check the last color combination in this pattern. This is in bottle green. This has bottle green body with red border. one more traditional combination. Same body with same borders, priced at 1360. Let's check the other pattern in this episode. So this is the second pattern which we will be discussing today. This has also got different color combinations in this pattern. So this is the first color combinations. Let's check this first combination. This is in chocolate brown with turmeric yellow. If you check the top border, the top border is in contrast turmeric yellow. This has got this zigzag pattern along with zari woven booties with the khadi border running in the middle of the border. If you check the middle part has got brown as base with nice brocade going along. Let's check the brocade pattern as well. This brocade pattern has got these tiny arrows running downwards the border. If you see, this is all over the body. Let's check the bottom border. The bottom border is a skirt border, like 10 to 12 inch border. This has got two different patterns in this. If you check the top one, we've got tiny boxes. It's not tiny, it's moderate boxes with flower bunches inside it, with this border which we've seen as a top border is continued in the bottom border as well. Let's check the pallu round. The pallu has got very tiny checks with small booties inside it, with leafy creepers running in the top and bottom of the pallu. Let's check the blouse. The blouse has also got different checkered pattern with the border, priced at 1360. This is such a vibrant color combinations and very soft. You can just carry it just like that. And this has also got such a nice color combinations in this pattern. Let's check those patterns as well. This is the second color combination in this second pattern. The second color combination is in nice padded green with pink color combination. This is also has got same brocade as body with same skirt border. Such a traditional elegant combination. This is also priced at 1360. All the combinations are very vibrant and festive collection. Let's check another pretty combination. This is a combination of navy blue with lemon yellow as the contrast. If you check, this has also got same brocade in the body with skirt border, priced at 1360. If you would like to purchase these sarees, please do follow the links which will be giving in the description box. Let's check the other color shade. The other combination is bottle green as body with contrast red borders, priced at 1360. Let's check the other color combination. Let's check the last color combination in second pattern. This is one more traditional combination of pink with parrot green with same brocade and skirt border running along. This is also priced at 1360. Let's check the third pattern now. This is the third pattern in this episode. This third pattern has also got variety of color combinations. This is the first color combinations. If you see, this is navy blue with lemon yellow color combination. If you check the top border has got tiny diamonds running along the border with small strips around it, either side of this tiny border. If you check the body is in navy blue with as a base, and this has got this leafy patterns running along the body all over the sari, and this zari is in copper zari. This looks very rich and elegant. If you check the bottom border have got multiple borders as one border. If you check the top part of this border, this has got these arrows running along this border. If you check the middle part, this has got this box version inside it, and each box we have a mango sitting inside it with tiny flowers along with it. And at the end of this border, we've got tiny flower creepers running along this border. Let's check the pallu right now. The pallu is very rich with this diamond borders either side of the pallu, and this has got this creeper style formed checkered pattern with mango sitting inside the boxes. Let's check the blouse. The blouse is densely accumulated with tiny woven zari flower booties. This has got borders either side. Priced at 1490 rupees. Let's check the other color combinations as well. Let's check the other color combinations in this pattern. This is the second color combination. This is pretty bottle green with red color combination. The bottle green is as body with red as border. Priced at 1490. Let's check the other color combination. This is another traditional combination. We can say a vibrant combination. This is in parrot green with pink color combination. Parrot green is as body with pink borders. Priced at 1490. Let's check the other color combination as well. As I said, these are all very soft. You can just carry just like that. You don't have to be burdened with like stiffness and all. And this saree is another vibrant color combination in lemon yellow with copper sulphate blue. Priced at 1490. Let's check the last color combination in this pattern. This is a very nice traditional combination as red with green color combination. Priced at 1490. Let's check the other color combination as well. This is another traditional combination, yet this is rare to find. Purple with yellow color combination. Priced at 1490. So these are the lovely color combinations in these three patterns that we've seen today. These are very affordable for this price. This is the wonderful saree. So if you would like to purchase them, please log on to www.rkcollections.in. And as I mentioned in the beginning of the video, we'll be launching a new store in KPHP Kukatpalli. So please visit our new store and make it successful. You can even buy these sarees by visiting the stores. We have 4 stores across Hyderabad. We have 2 stores in KPHP Kukatpalli. One among them is in the name of RK Selections. We have 3rd store in Dilshuk Nagar near Konark Theatre. We have 4th store in Kottapet near Metro Station. If you like this video, please click on like button and do share with your friends and family. Thanks for watching the video. I'll see you guys in the next video. Thank you so much.